daily no care. I don't know why I had to sing that.
Good morning. Whether it's for my nails or overall health, I drink some water. So let's go get some water.
There's not a cloud in the sky today. Except for maybe that little one right there. And if you're working outside like me, weed in the garden, make sure you don your protective gloves to protect your nails and your hands. One of the things that I like to do is incorporate natural biotin into my day-to-day food and kind of meals. I'm ready for lunch, so I think I'm gonna eat a peanut butter sandwich. Another thing I like to do in the afternoon time is I like to take some organic coconut oil, really rub it on my hands and on my cuticles. I probably took too much, but that's alright. Well, hello. I'm doing my makeup and getting ready because I want to take a little mini photo shoot today. I want to test out different camera settings and different picture settings, stuff like that. Oh, brush it all. I do this. Do it all up in there, who cares? You'd be somebody looking, you look like you did your makeup wrong. I don't think anyone's ever gonna walk up to you and say that. They might think it, but their thoughts can't hurt you, so. My first time using this eyelash primer, it's Ascend. I don't know how to say it. It works good. You gotta use it when it's wet, though. I mean, you gotta apply your mascara when it's wet. I feel like it doesn't work the best. And I think it blew up on TikTok. If you ever want to know, I'm not on TikTok. I don't like TikTok, and I'm not on TikTok. I kind of see the aftermath of TikTok on Instagram Reels. There you go. Instagram's not for me, okay? That's all I can handle. I'm getting over being sick. I've been sick for a whole week. All last week I was sick. Now I feel pretty good. I'm pretty much like 95% good. So I'm not really sick, but I think you can still hear it. First time I'm kind of using this Revlon mascara. It's kind of brown. I know I had a coupon for it, so I usually go for the blackest of black mascaras. But I like this. Well, it's black brown. It's not completely brown or anything. I usually wear black, but I think I'm gonna add some orange eyeliner. It's like I always mention, I have these eyeliner pens. I don't know, but I'm gonna add some orange here. As I look. Kind of graphic design or something. Dick. No, I'm already going bold with the eyes, so I'm not gonna go bold. Okay, I think that looks good. A little bit of clear gloss. I've never tried the NYX Professional Finish Satin Setting Spray stuff. I just got it, so now we're going to do something with the hair, even though these French braids look adorable. Blah. Maybe a gold one? No. Gold. Hold on. Should we go with the gold hoops? We go with these. I'm probably going to go with these because it will match. These pearls will match this pearl. So, yeah. I try to tie a little rose sweater half thing. Good. Now, me and my sister are going to go take some pictures. Wow, look at that beautiful sunset. Look at the sky. Look at that cloud right there. Like, look how amazing that is. Isn't God so wonderful? Look what he made. Beautiful. Look at that sun.
And right here is me trying to capture the majestic firefly lighting up the night. But, you know, my camera doesn't really work in low lighting, so yeah, they're there. I hope you can see them.
It's time to do my nightly nail care routine. I know I kind of just unconsciously do this. It's not something I've ever actually said out loud. But I just look at my nails and make sure they're not like chipping or anything. Like if I did a lot of work today and they're just like in bad shape, I usually just take some nail polish remover and just remove the nail polish because I don't want it to chip any further. If you ever notice, once your nail polish chips, your nail plate just looks really dry. Well, odds are when that nail polish chipped, it took off the top layer of your nail plate and your nails left really brittle. So you don't want that. So yeah, usually just look at my nails and make sure that they're still in good shape. I've been wearing this manicure for a while and it still hasn't chipped. It still looks good. Yeah. I take out my clips. My hair looks a little funky right now. Then I take my homemade cuticle balm, which is only 2 ingredients. It's beeswax and olive oil. I just take it and I just put it on my cuticles and on my hands. That's what I do. Rub it in good and let it soak in. And after I rub it in, I don't wash my hands and I just go to bed. Maybe on different days I'll do something else, but I basically just moisturize every night and make sure my nail polish isn't like tripping really bad. I hope you enjoyed this vlog coming along with me throughout the day, but now I'm tired. I gotta go to bed. So, good night.